Hey guys, just got done loading up a Redneck Buell chopper kit. Guy started. Hopefully we're gonna finish it up. These were big in the early 2000s, mid 2000s. It's a 2000 Buell Cyclone power plant. And hopefully in a few months it won't look like this no more. Gonna get home, start ordering up some parts. We'll get it all assembled, powder coated, painted. So we made it back to the garage. Started throwing some parts on it. Gonna have to get a whole part list together. I think the first thing we're going to start to do is get this seat pan to fit correctly on here. They started doing a bobber seat. We're going to chop all that off and get this seat pan to fit. So I think we got enough off of this. See if the seat pan fits. Gonna have to get this fender to fit right. It's gonna sit like right about there. We also got to grind these tabs off here, get this nice and flush. There's tabs here and here, and one on the bottom here. We got to cut this fender and get this fender to fit properly. Full solid slug they had on there. All right, so we got these brackets knocked down. Everything's sitting nice and flush. We got to knock these down. This one and this one. There used to be brackets that go from here to the fender, and they cut them off. We're gonna knock these down, redo this fender, and then make new brackets to go on to connect to the fender. And then also, there was brackets that were on here to hold the gas tank from the bottom. Real nice bottom mount brackets, and they cut those off too. So what we're gonna do is grind those down to nothing, and then we're gonna get a tank that you mount from the top, and we'll weld in some threaded bosses on top. But today we're just gonna grind down everything, get everything smooth, and just start over fresh. Let's get going. We're knocking them down. Not bad. Almost back to normal again. A little bit more to go on this one. A little bit left on the bottom. Then we're gonna make a, while we're on this side, I'm gonna make a bracket to go from the caliper over to this bracket on the bottom there, so that doesn't keep going around in circles. This is the tank it came with. They hollowed it out. I guess he was going to put a new tunnel in it. But doesn't really fit good. We're going to order a new tank with mounting brackets for the top. And we'll drill, tap, or weld some threaded bosses on there to mount to. Whatever way it works, we'll get it to work. All right, so what I ended up doing was moving that caliper from the bottom where they had it mounted down below. Then we're gonna mount it up on top. And then we're gonna put this adjustment on top. And then we're gonna weld a tab right here on the rear side of it. So we can put this in, we have some adjustment. I think it looks nicer. We'll just have the brake line coming from the top. Possibly drill a hole here, have the line come out, and or have it come out the bottom and follow it up. But either way, I like it better up on top. Makes it easier to get to. You want to work on the brakes, do brakes. Definitely makes it for a nicer setup with the adjustment on it. Make a nice bracket right about here. See what I got for brackets. Got something like this. That actually work out perfect. Got this one too. Like that. get the welder and throw a tack on that, and the rear brake will be done. All right, got the welder set up. We got it all tacked up for now. I'll grind off the old bracket on the bottom. So we got it tacked in. There's an old bracket down there. We're gonna cut that one off and grind that smooth at a later date. And then we can get the fender mounted. We actually got to shape it and get it to fit right, because right now it's an absolute mess. So we're going to follow that blue line, shape it. We're going to come in, going to drill some holes. Put holes here, here, and here to match the girder front end with the holes in it. Making a little progress. Fighting with that a little bit. So you get the idea. We'll shape that fender real nice. Mount it to the bottom. Got that brake situated pretty good. That front brake's gonna be a little tricky because of that girder front end. But we're gonna make some brackets to hold it on there. We'll cut something to go from here to here. Same thing on the bottom, from here to here on the bottom. Tell you what, it's one beefy front end though. They did a nice job making this front end. Fox shock. Gonna have to make some caps, maybe a spike or a cap with some holes in it to go with the holes in that. So far so good. All right, so we got most of the brackets knocked out, ground down. Got the seat pan to fit nice. We also mocked up the rear brake. Got that all situated. That's a wrap for this video. Next video, we're gonna knock out that rear fender, get it to fit right on the rear, make some custom struts, and just keep on going on this. If you like the video, please subscribe, smash that like button. Catch you later.